Okay, so this is the 1 year follow-up of the repair work, and this client had two hair transplant procedure in the past at some other clinic that result into multiple mini plugs, and not just the mini plugs is hideous, but it's the angle completely off. It's perpendicular, so it pointed out. And then the hairline of the plug is completely wrong too, and so it's really traumatic for him, and then brought him pretty much he had to live around 2.5 years under the hat, and I mean, so you can imagine how much that affects his life, his social life as well, not just his how he feel. So that's where he was in 2017, and before my work, before we go in. And it's kind of hard to see here, but when I magnify a little bit closer, you can see the plugs. But this is a year later. You can see how natural the hairline is. And walk down the street with a more handsome face and a full set of hair and a frame and a natural hairline. It really brings back his look, his handsome look, and his youth as well. And the client get to be free from living under the hat. He's pretty much wearing the hair up, and you see quite a bit of mini plugs. And to show his hairline, and you see these plugs here, plug there, all over, and the angle is off, poor density, and the hairline is wrong. And basically, I had to thin out the hair plugs and rebuild the whole hairline and give him all the density. It's a lot harder to work on a client who had multiple poor hair transplant with plugs. I rather work on a plain canvas, so it's easier. But I enjoy doing repair work because you see how natural that looks. And this is where the artistry of the hairline is. And not just the artistry of the density as well. You see all these plugs, I had to thin them out and give him his density and his natural hairline back. And that's what he was. And again, and as a hair transplant surgeon who specialized in the FUE and the strip method, one of my forte is how creating a natural hairline. So I use the FUE to thin out the old plugs, and then retransplant the whole hairline and rebuild the whole hairline to hide all those poor angle and poor density. And now with a full set of hair and a natural hairline, it really framed his face better. It really enhanced his eyes, his nose, and all the features that God created. But what brings me great satisfaction is actually I was able to help his life and to escape from living under the hat and bring back his handsome look, his handsome face, and his youth as well, and allow him to wear his hair however he wanted and comb his hair up and to expose his handsome face, and his hairline is natural, and bring back his life as well. And so this is the art of hair transplant, of repairing the old plugs. Thank you.